Hey guys, it's Alex Hoffman again with Century 21 Trophy Class, and today I've got a special 10-acre parcel coming at you. Today we're in Reed City, Newaygo County, just 8 miles from downtown Reed City and just 20 miles from downtown Baldwin. The parcel is located off of the east side of North Cypress Avenue, and as you pull up, you're greeted by a winding trail that brings you right to a 12 by 12 off-grid cabin that includes a wood stove. As we're moving east to west on the parcel, you have rolling hills throughout that kind of level themselves out where the cabin is located on the property. And as you move west towards the road, you have a very small wetlands as well. The timber population on the property is quite diverse with Douglas fir and red oak. Check out the link below that'll bring you to the website for comprehensive mapping and more information on the parcel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a great day.